Hi students, in our previous video we created some cards and we played card games with doubles. So we played a doubles game that Miss Flanagan showed you and a dominoes game that Miss Khan showed you. We have a few more card games that we'd like to show you now. They're just practicing all different types of maths. It might be addition or subtraction, and you can actually even create your own games using your creativity and your knowledge of maths. So these are just some suggestions, but if you have any great card games, please send us the information because we might like to play them too.
So this is a really easy game, boys and girls. What we have to do this time is put our cards into two piles. So 1 and 2. And I'm going to draw a card from each pile and add them together. So it's just a quick, easy addition game. So first I've got 7 plus 5. I'm going to count on, because that's the strategy that Miss Flanagan, I'm going to choose a strategy to use, and that's the strategy I'm going to use. So I'm going to do 7, and I'm going to count on from 7 with my fingers. So I'm going to go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 plus 5 is 12.
I like how you paused and thought about the strategy that you were going to use with Flanagan. And this game, boys and girls, is a nice one to play by yourself. You don't need a partner or a mum and dad, so if you've got some quiet time or free time, you can play this one all by yourself.
Can I have a turn?
Yes, Miss Khan.
So 1 from that one, 4, and 10. Oh, so I know that if I add a number on from 10, that it will probably end up being a teen number, because this is a 10, so I'm visualizing in my head already a block of 10, and then I'm adding 4 more, so I know 4 plus 10, or 10 plus 4, because that's a turnaround. Did you know that?
I didn't. That's a really good
I can just do it like that.
A
it's
turnaround.
The same thing, because I can just turn my numbers around. So 10 plus 4 is 14.
Great work, Miss Khan. Do you want to do one, Miss Lester?
I would love to do one, so I'm going to choose one from this pile. Oh, I have a 10 as well, and a 6. And now, like Miss Khan, I know that it might end up being a teen number, but I'm going to turn it around because I want to count on from 10. I want my biggest number first, so I'm going to say 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6 is 16, because I'm taking off this 0 and I'm putting that 1 in the 1 place over here. So 10 plus 6 is 16.
Well done. Want to do one more? 3 plus 8. Ooh. So Miss Flanagan knows her rainbow facts, and this isn't quite a rainbow fact, but it's really close. So I know straight away that 8 plus 2 is 10, and this is 8 plus 3, so I just got to add one more on, which is 11.
Well
8
done,
plus
Miss
3
Flanagan.
is 11.
Speaking of rainbow facts, it brings us to our next game. Now, I'm not going to use these playing cards, but I'm going to use the cards that we created in our last video. These cards that are just on paper that I've written numbers on. My game is about making rainbow facts with cards, and I've got all my numbers here. And I have an extra card of number 5. So I've got 2 5s, but the rest of them are all just single numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it's my job to make rainbow facts out of our cards. And this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to take 1 from each end. 1 plus 9 equals 10, and that's our rainbow fact. We can join those together with a marker. 1 plus 9 equals 10. My next one is 2 and 8. So 8, 9, 10. That's a rainbow fact. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Miss Flanagan's going to draw my rainbow. The next one is 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7, or a turnaround, 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. That's a rainbow fact.
See how the rainbow is linking the numbers together.
We're getting smaller and smaller, so I'm trying to squish my cards in. 4 plus 6, or 6 plus 4, that's a rainbow fact. That equals 10. And our last one, that is 5 plus 5. That's a rainbow fact. 5 plus 5. And it's very small. Now all of our numbers, even though they're a bit squished up, are all here in our rainbow facts. And I challenge you to make your rainbow facts at home and practice writing them down. So after I've done this and I've made all of the rainbow facts, I'm going to write them down on a piece of paper or on a whiteboard 1 plus 9 equals 10. And then I'm going to do a turnaround on this side. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 equals 10. So I'm going from this side on this column and this side on this column. So my next one is 2 for over here. 2 plus, thanks Miss Khan, all the way over. Oop,
Sorry,
moved it
I
over.
changed it.
There we go, 2 plus 8. 8 is my next number. 2 plus 8 equals 10. And then we've got to go back over. We've got to go 8 all the way back over to 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10.
So
And-
all you're actually doing is swapping those two numbers around.
That's right, we're turning them
Flipping.
around.
They're
We're
back
flipping.
families.
A turnaround.
A turnaround, yeah. So our next one, of course, 1, 2. My next one is 3 plus, following my rainbow, 7.
Can I guess before
Oh.
you do the turnaround?
Absolutely. So I know 3 plus 7 equals 10. What do you think I'm going to write over here, Miss
Well,
Khan?
I can already see a little pattern going on. So
Mm.
there's 9 and then there's 8. So I'm assuming that's going to be 7.
Your prediction was right, Miss Khan. It is 9, 8, and then 7.
And then I'm going to predict that this is going to be 1, 2, and now 3.
3. I love finding patterns in maths just like
I
that.
do too.
Patterns in maths is one of my most favourite
Yeah.
things. Boys and girls, I'm not going to finish it because otherwise we're not going to see it on the camera. We have a limited amount of space, but I challenge you to finish it off and see if you can work on your rainbow facts using our cards and something to write with.